Have you guys heard about pickle pizzas? Dill pickle pizzas. Well, I thought I'd try it and share with you. So basic pizza here. I got this crust actually at the Dollar Tree, and then some sauce, pickles, and cheese. Kept it simple. The crust is ultra thin. Not exactly what I wanted, but not too bad for the price. I got a roasted garlic parmesan sauce. I figured a little more something than just basic Alfredo. Dill pickles, you definitely want dill pickles, and then some mozzarella cheese. I don't know if you like pickles. I like them. I don't like crave them and eat them all the time, but if they're there for a sandwich, I'll eat them. So I thought might as well try, and of course it has to be dill. I don't like sweet pickles or any other sort. But yeah, just gonna make it like a basic pizza. Toss on that cheese after the sauce. I sliced up my pickles. You can obviously purchase them pre-sliced, and I'm not a brand snob, so whatever works for you. And then place on there liberally, and then I just put an extra little bit of layer to kind of cement things on there. Put it on the rack, bake it according to instructions. And isn't that gorgeous? I think it's gorgeous. And then it was time for the taste test. Now, I had convinced my friends' kids a little while ago that peanut butter dill pickle sandwiches are good, and they are. I was actually really surprised. It was a thing I saw on YouTube, and they love them. This, however, the kids were not impressed with. Neither was my friend. I really enjoyed it. I actually really did enjoy it. Now, it's not super filling, so it's more of like an appetizer snack sort of thing, and also really not great as leftovers like normal pizza. So take it as you will. Maybe like add a little bit more veggies or chicken or something to it, or just for fun. I definitely recommend giving it a try. And if you like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't heard of this and you think it's fun, please feel free to share this video. I'm excited. We just hit 2,000 subscribers recently, and trying to get more people to watch these videos that I put all this hard work into. And I hope you enjoy it. I really do. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.